Flying drones here, flying drones there. A glowing orb appears elsewhere. Just another distraction, right? That's what most people would think. But wait, what's that glowing orb exactly? While the world's attention is fixated on man-made military drones labeled as UAPs, something far stranger is unfolding. Real UAPs, mysterious and truly otherworldly, are starting to appear. And it's not just in the US like something out of a Hollywood action movie. These sightings are happening all over the world right now. At the end of November 2024, something strange began to happen. Mysterious flickering lights started appearing over military installations at night. People became curious, searching for answers, recording videos and crafting theories flooding the internet. What are these lights? Where are they coming from? Who's behind them? Some videos show what appear to be drones. Aircraft-like in shape, they've been spotted in restricted military airspace. The kind of activity that would force military action? You would expect that. But here's the thing, they have been appearing night after night for weeks now, and no one seems to be doing anything about it. If this were just an ordinary commercial drone, wouldn't it have already been neutralized? After all, we have the technology to disable drones. It's strange, isn't it, that these drones continue to fly untouched despite our ability to take them down. But these sightings aren't just drones. There's something else happening between these drone sightings, something even stranger. Witness accounts and videos circulating online reveal glowing spherical objects moving through the sky. These objects emit a mysterious type of energy, resembling stars but behaving in ways that defy logic. They hover low in the sky, either remaining stationary or moving gently. At times, they vanish without warning or make sudden, sharp turns before rapidly flying away. People are calling them glowing orbs, not drones, not airplanes, completely unexplainable. They hover, drift, and follow paths that defy everything we understand about human-made technology. And here's the thing, these glowing orbs have appeared in myths, stories, and ancient accounts for centuries. But now they're appearing in far greater numbers. Some believe these glowing orbs and their sudden appearances are connected to the mysterious drones we've discussed. With growing public curiosity, governments are under pressure to address the situation. However, they remain tight-lipped, claiming complete ignorance. But here's where it gets interesting. It looks as though these aren't just random events. It seems more likely that military-made drones are patrolling the skies, intentionally or unintentionally, to distract attention from the glowing orbs or to monitor those glowing orbs and gather data. Are they operating in secrecy to cover up something? It's time to consider a theory. We're not diving too deep into science fiction or mystical ideas here, but hear this out. It's quite naive to believe that humanity is alone in the entire vastness of the universe. In a universe with billions of planets, it's hard to believe we're alone. But here's the even wilder thought. What if we're not the only living beings on this planet besides animals? What if, throughout our history, evidence has been hidden, suggesting that other forms of life exist here on Earth, sharing our world in ways we can't comprehend? Many ancient accounts and artifacts depict strange lights, unexplained phenomena, and symbols linked to the stars and otherworldly beings. If we connect these dots, they suggest a far more complex history, one where humanity might not have been the only sentient beings here on this planet. Could these glowing lights, these strange orbs, be evidence of something ancient, something far older than we ever imagined? There are several theories, but one stands out as particularly intriguing. According to eyewitness accounts, declassified documents, and available evidence, these glowing orbs tend to appear near nuclear power plants, missile bases, and military installations that store weapons of mass destruction. Veterans and military insiders have claimed that these mysterious orbs have been responsible for disabling and neutralizing nuclear missiles in the past. From this, a chilling possibility emerges. These glowing orbs seem to have a specific interest in monitoring and neutralizing the very technologies that pose the greatest threat to the existence of this planet. In a leaked source from an interview, an unidentified high-ranking general made a cryptic statement about those glowing orbs: planetary defense. Humanity stands at the edge of self-destruction and environmental collapse, closer than ever before. But if so much is truly at stake, and these beings are far more advanced than we are, wouldn't it make sense for them to intervene when the time comes, even if it means revealing themselves to the world? It's possible that these glowing orbs are creations of advanced beings or entities whose purpose is to protect this world from destruction. Perhaps they are the entities themselves, just a theory, of course. Imagine the impact this event could have on our understanding of human existence and the entire course of history. The truth is, something is happening, and it's bigger than drones or glowing orbs or even governments. Whatever this is, it could reshape everything we know about life, humanity, and our place in the universe. Are we ready to face it? Would this event, when they reveal themselves, lead to a better future for humanity? Or would it plunge us into greater uncertainty and chaos? If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're interested in similar topics, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.